In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix double Google Chrome icons on the taskbar in Windows. If you've ever experienced having two seemingly duplicate Chrome icons on your taskbar, you know how frustrating it can be. This small glitch may not seem like a big deal, but it can be quite distracting and affect your productivity, especially if you're someone who likes to keep your desktop organized. Not to worry, we're going to walk through a simple solution today that will help you clean up your taskbar and make things right again. First, the best thing to do is focus on the incorrect Chrome icon that appears on your taskbar. You'll want to unpin this extra icon because it's causing the confusion. Go ahead and right-click on it. You should see a menu pop up with several options. From this menu, simply select Unpin from Taskbar. Doing this removes the duplicate icon, leaving you with only one, the correct Google Chrome icon that's already in use. Now, with the extra icon removed, we'll need to ensure the remaining Chrome icon is properly configured. Move your attention over to the remaining icon and right-click on it. This might seem counterintuitive, but stay with me. This step creates a fresh association between your taskbar and the Chrome application itself. Once you've right-clicked, an option should appear that says Pin to Taskbar. Click on that, and this will lock in the icon to your taskbar. It's a little like ensuring that Windows knows precisely which app is tied to that taskbar spot, reducing the risk of duplicate icons appearing in the future. By following these simple steps, you should now have a tidy taskbar without any duplicate Google Chrome icons getting in your way. This fix will not only make your screen look less cluttered, but it'll also help streamline your workflow since you won't find yourself clicking the wrong icon by accident. It's worth noting that small issues like these aren't unusual, especially when Windows updates are rolled out or after certain software updates. So don't be alarmed if you come across this again in the future. Just remember these quick steps and you'll be back to a clean taskbar in no time. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to solve the problem of double Chrome icons on your Windows taskbar. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tech tips and solutions. Have a great day, and see you next time.